Welcome back to the channel. Today, something special. We received our e-bikes. We got two e-bikes from Lectric eBike, a black and a white one. We're going to share with you the unboxing, how we set them up, and our first test ride. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get them unboxed. So the bike comes fully assembled. We're just going to have to take off all these zip ties and foam. Bag and where that is. Okay, now we got it fully unpackaged. Slid in there, and then we can go up like that. Too easy. Supposed to do that. The battery is in it. There's a pedal there. Probably not supposed to be there. Like that. And the handle goes like so. Of course. Oh, there you go. It's got a little tighter there. There we have it. Pretty easy once you kind of figure it out. There you have it, guys. We got them unboxed, unfolded, set up. The bikes look great, except unfortunately the black one is broke on shipping. We're going to zoom in right now. This little kickstand is broke just a little pot metal welded kickstand, and unfortunately it is broke. So we will be contacting Lectric back, see what the process is to get either a new bike or what they're going to do. So stick around, we're going to do our first test rides and we'll let you know what Lectric says.
How was it?
That's super fun. Whoa, whoa. It's a little crazy though. The pedal assist is on all the time. Like when you start pedaling, it just takes off. The throttle, the hand twisty, is basically if you don't want to pedal, you just twist the throttle and it goes. But if you're pedaling, it's assisting. It's kind of scary on corners. Go around, start pedaling, and it's just gonna throw you right off. So you gotta be real careful. Other than that, it's super fun.
Crap, I'm only on 2. See?
How was it?
Fun.
You like it?
Yeah. But you gotta get used to it.
Yeah, right. You crazy?
It can take off pretty fast and I didn't even go past 3.
Well, there you have it, guys. 2 brand new e-bikes. We're super excited. Can't wait to get out and enjoy them. What'd you think, babe?
I think we're gonna love them.
Stick around, watch some more, hit subscribe, hit the like, hit the notification bell, and we'll try to get out some videos as we can. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, guys, this is our life.
You do you.
Who needs directions? Not me. Alright, first attempt at the motorized
Don't get me on
e-bike.
video yet, because I could fall over.
Exactly.
You're not even close to speed.
Ooh.